Hello, 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 mega love shout out everyone. How is everybody? First of all, gusto ko munang batiin ang aking bunso sa Pilipinas. Chardanak, happy Independence Day. At sa aking lahat ng aking mga kapatid, kamag-anak, friends, and to all of you guys, to all my friends, and loyal supporters, subscribers here in my small YouTube channel. Thank you everyone for always supporting Rose the Melody Vlog. Happy Independence Day to all of you guys, to all Filipinos, co-Filipinos worldwide. Happy Independence Day to all. And I would like to thank God that we are okay and fine. I hope everybody's okay and fine too. And I hope everybody's happy. Yeah. Happy lang guys. And thank you to all of you guys, especially to those always supporting my silent live, simple videos, and short videos. I cannot mention already all your name, but big thanks to all of you guys. Sa lahat ng aking mga friends, mga sisikoy, thank you. Pasensya na kayo, hindi ako nakakadalaw sa inyo kasi medyo busy ang lola. Hindi na katulad noon ang aking work ay medyo mahaba at syempre mas mahalaga ang trabaho, maski anong trabaho ay mahalaga kaysa uuwi tayo sa Pilipinas na ang gulo-gulo sa Pilipinas. Sana maging okay ang ating bansa. Lahat ng mga politician, mga matataas na official, nagkakagulo. Sana magkakaayos din. And of course, I would like to thank first to all my ka-DDS, loyal supporters. Pray always. Ako ay sana walang kontra. Kanya-kanya tayong hinahangaan, ika nga. Siyempre, I would like to greet Ma'am VP Inday Sara, Ma'am VP Inday Sara Duterte, and of course, aking idol, Sir Senator Robin Padilla, Sir Senator SP Alan Peter Cayetano, binibilang ko, and Sir Ronald Bato de la Rosa, Ma'am Senator Amy Marcos, shout out, and Sir Senator Bongo, Sir Senator Mark Villar, sino pa? Ma'am Senator Pia Cayetano, Ma'am Senator Lauren Legarda, Sir Senator Joel Villanueva, ano ba yun? Sino po ba yung ibang? Sir Rodante Marcoleta, Sir Senator Rodante Marcoleta, naimbag nga daw yung sir, Ilocano pala si Sir Senator Rodante Marcoleta. And of course, to all vloggers, shout out everyone. Sino pa ba yung isa na nakalimutan ko? Meron pa isa. Sir Ronald Bato de la Rosa, Ma'am Amy Marcos. Yun na sila. And of course, lahat ng DDS vloggers, shout out everyone. And happy Independence Day, guys. To all of you. And especially to all my co-OFW worldwide, and of course, to all co-Filipinos worldwide, Happy Independence Day to all. Sorry, may ubo-ubo na naman ang lola niya. And shout out everyone, guys. Again, I want to thank to all of you, big thanks to all of you, guys. Sorry. Especially to those always supporting my small small YouTube channel. And I would like to greet also my sister in Kuwait, City, Juliet and Vlad, to all my relatives, shout out everyone, to all my friends also in the Philippines, sa lahat ng aking kapatid, Happy Independence Day to all. Ano po ba yun? Ang gulo-gulo talaga sa Pilipinas, guys, and sa lahat ng ka-DDS, shout out everyone. To all my sisikoy, shout out. Sana maging okay na ang Pilipinas. Ang gulo-gulo talaga. Halos parang magsusuntukan na ang ang mga matataas na official. Sana magkakasundo na sila. Oo. Sana mawala na ang korupsyon sa ating bansa para umasenso at tayong nasa abroad ay makauwi na rin, makasama ang ating mga pamilya. Sa ngayon, ang gulo-gulo ang Pilipinas. So, tsaga-tsaga muna tayo dito sa abroad kasi magulo ang Pilipinas, guys. Again, big thanks everyone. And may God bless us all. Rose the Melod Vlog, all the way from Sharjah, United Arab Emirates. Ma'am Senator Lauren Legarda pa na pa. Kalimutan ko. Baka meron akong nakalimutan minsan. Yung talagang hinahangaan ko talaga yun ang nami-memorize ko, guys. Okay, guys. Thank you. Everyone, may God bless us all.